Ding dong. Good afternoon, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mandla Legere Gingirikani Wakumashaba. Thank you very much for joining us on Kanelo wa Gingirikani. If you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. Because COVID and 2020 has been tough on us, I thought maybe it would be nice to bring some 3 videos featuring Tsonga Slay Queens who are going to make us laugh. Hope you enjoy them. First up, Moyala Azarabaz. Ding!
Bayibona loko hi karhi hi tsamaya ya kun'wana tato hala swiluna Azarabaza wani kuma ya a komba ko ya ko ndzi n'wana sis wani Thomas.
Ding dong! Wow, it's very, very funny, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed that one. There's still more videos to come. Next up is Shongi Mashongani and Musheliza. Let's hear what they have in store for us. Dung!
Fair food. I'm at Hanele. Every round twice. Ni come Shongi Mashongani. Ni come Musheliza Layan. Wababona. Ile Hanele ni ra Hendrik Fairwood.
Dundu. Ladies and gentlemen, the last video is featuring Mani Mzweu, but do me tututu. Hey, van baporuede hey, hela kugwirimba.
Hilo ko se te kare ka mamaila na Mani Mzweu. Mamaila wo.
Ya shiri ngwana tata.
Va bona madrimbi vula ku trimbira. Yena yanga duma ku tututu.
Ina kwa gwirimba.
Siyojiwa. Uzojiwa. Ha, ba ku hai.
Dun, dun, dun. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us on Kanelo wa Gingirikani. Just make sure that if you haven't purchased your Kanelo wa Gingirikani or Menga Titimeli t-shirt, tihlanganiseni na Mandla Gingirikani eka tinambara leti nga kona kwala ka screen nkarhi lowu nga heteki mbilu mi kuma ti-t-shirt ta n'wina nkarhi wa ri kona. Thank you very much for joining us. Eka Stores ke tshwelekile nyora. I'm Testin Totora. Salute. Mi nga titimeli. A hi hlekeni. Veri loko munhu a hleka i tingetela masiku ya ku hanya.